Last month, based on our monthly survey of 27,000 businesses worldwide, we reported U.S. manufacturers front-loading purchases in June during the tariff pause to build up buffer inventories. In July, the story flipped. U.S. manufacturers sharply cut back, with North America's index falling to minus 0.33 from minus 0.06, driving the global index down and signaling rising spare capacity across the world's supply chains. In Asia, supply chains remained underutilized, with the steepest slowdowns in Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan, although China's purchasing activity edged higher after 2 months of declines. Europe's fragile recovery stalled. The regional index dropped as growth in Germany weakened ahead of new tariff agreements. Looking across manufacturing inventories, safety stockpiling eased further, suggesting little concern about supply bottlenecks or price surges. Meanwhile, manufacturers' staffing capacity and logistics costs remained stable, with no signs of inflationary pressure. The key takeaway: when we remove the distortions from tariff-related stockpiling and rerouting goods to avoid tariffs, underlying manufacturing demand is softening worldwide. For procurement leaders, this means maintain flexible supplier arrangements and avoid committing to long-term contracts until some of the tariff-induced uncertainty stabilizes. Visit www.gep.com/volatility to download this month's full report. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.